In this final tutorial of our eco-friendly spa set series, we are making a functional and beautiful crochet soap saver bag. Grab your cotton yarn and H-hook and make a chain of 13. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook and each chain until the last chain. When you get to the last chain, make 2 single crochets to turn the corner. Working on the opposite side of the chain, single crochet in each stitch across. At the end of this round, you will have made 26 stitches. Do not join, but do mark the first stitch as we will begin working in the round. Get out your marker. Single crochet in the first stitch and mark it with your marker. Now double crochet in the next stitch. You will repeat this pattern of single crochet in one, and then double crochet in the next stitch around until your marker. When you get to the marker, remove it and continue your pattern. Your next part of the pattern should be a double crochet in the single crochet in the row below. The secret of this pattern is you are always opposite matching. Put a double crochet into a single crochet and in single crochet into a double crochet. This creates the texture. You will repeat this pattern for a total of 12 rows. When you reach the end of round 12, we will begin our beading round. To begin round 13, the beading round, slip stitch into the next stitch and chain 4. The chain 4 will count as a double crochet and a chain 1. Now skip 1 stitch and double crochet in the next stitch to create a hole. Now chain 1 and skip 1 stitch.
I'm just amazed. My life is amazed.
About what?
How you can start a day with one kind of expectation.
When you get to the end, slip stitch into the 3rd stitch of the beginning chain 4 to end the round. For the next round, you will begin with a chain 1. Then you will single crochet in the same stitch, and then single crochet in the chain 1 space. Do this around by making a single crochet in every stitch and chain 1 space. At the end of the round, join to the beginning single crochet with a slip stitch. For the last round, you will create a simple edging. You will chain 1 and slip stitch in the same stitch. Then you will chain 1 and slip stitch in the next stitch. Repeat this around. Chain 1 and slip stitch in the next stitch. When you get to the last stitch, slip stitch into it. End off and weave in your end. Now, let's make our drawstring with a chain of 55. When you are done with the cord, knot both ends tightly and trim the ends. Weave your cord through the beading round so that it meets in the front. You're done. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, please hit like and subscribe. Also, this is part 3 of my 3-part spa series. Look for part 1, making a makeup remover, and part 2 of face scrubby. Thanks for watching.